In sunny Jamaica, where the sun always shines, Mama and Papa, they dance and entwine. Their love is strong, like the sea's embrace. A happy poem, in a sun-kissed place. The waves crash on the shore, a soothing sound. Mama and Papa, hand in hand they bound. Through the fields of gold, they dance and play. Their love is pure, in every single way. The sun beats down, with a gentle touch. Mama and Papa, they feel it so much. Their hearts are full, with joy and delight. In sunny Jamaica, on this happy night, the stars shine bright, like diamonds in the sky. Mama and Papa, they watch them pass by. Their love is a gift, a treasure so true. In sunny Jamaica, where the sun shines through.